I'm here to talk about my brother who we lost to suicide. Very, very creative, intelligent. Up until such a time when we started to see a little different person, where he started to withdraw, we hit rock bottom when we realized that he has actually got addicted to alcohol. Today, when I think of the way we dealt with it as a family, I feel could we have had some counseling and training on this at a very early stage? At the stage when we felt that this is something which is not this person. Could he have been, counseled or spoken to understand what his issues were, any issues that he saw in his childhood, whether he generally had an issue with his own expectation on himself. When we suddenly lost him, we were all confused, shocked. Suddenly, this vacuum was created. My mother started to feel guilty. Like, what all I did since he was born or since he was a child, was I wrong? I was angry. Even when he went away, I spoke to him. I said, "You went away. You just left everything. Do you think you did something right? You just left those two daughters clueless of where their dad is. You left your wife just like that. You made your choices. We went with your choice. So where did we go wrong? Where did you go wrong?" All of this tussle, it's been years now, and probably we have settled socially, physically, environment-wise. We have settled mentally. Yes, we still come up with all of those thoughts. But I feel the hope that we draw is looking at his family. His two daughters are well settled, have groomed themselves very beautifully. His wife has put all her efforts to be able to stand on her 2 feet. My mother has come out of it in the way that she is able to talk about it sometimes, or she feels he is at peace. I talk about this issue. I don't feel it's a stigma. Yes, it is chaos for me. It is very emotional. But if this can help, I think that's all that I am looking forward to. I think just going through this episode has probably given me a view that I should talk and let people know that you are special and you are unique and you're loved by your family. Do not take decisions that will just give you the peace of mind, but put all your family, friends, people around you into a mode that they are really not able to come out of.